100 circles all share the same center, and they are named C1, C2, C3, and so on, up to C100. For each whole number n, between 1 and 99 inclusive, a tangent to circle Cn crosses circle Cn plus 1 at 2 points that are separated by a distance of 2. Given that C1 has radius 1, it follows that the radius of C100 is one of these. Okay. So I suggest we start by sketching out what the problem looks like here. If that's one circle, let's draw another circle. Hopefully we can get it more or less centered on the other. That's close enough for my liking. So we take a tangent to circle Cn. And I suppose what we should do here, let's draw this a little bit better. So what I might want to do is write down the relation between the radius of the two circles and the distance between those 2 points. So let's call this R. Well, I can see how we might relate these. So this will be R. This will be, call this for now capital R. And then we have then capital D. So d over 2 squared plus r squared is equal to capital R squared. And that's the relation between the distance between the 2 points and so on. So d squared over 4 plus r squared is equal to capital R squared. And I see now, it's written that for each of these circles, for each of these sort of iterations, the distance between the 2 points is equal to 2. So d is always equal to 2, so we have 1 plus r squared is equal to capital R squared. So this is saying that, let's call each radius like radius n, right? So r1 is equal to 1, and rn plus 1 is equal to rn squared plus 1 square root. Maybe it is easier to just say rn plus 1 squared equals rn squared plus 1. So to get from one radius to the next, let's just talk about the squares of the radius. To get from one square radius to the next, we just keep adding 1. So, r2 squared is equal to 2. r3 squared is equal to 3. And so r100 squared is going to be 100. And so r100 is equal to 10, which is option D. Yeah, so clearly the numbers for this were chosen in such a way to make it work nicely. But I guess, in going from one radius to the next, you just add a constant each time. So it works out fairly easy to figure things out in the end. Yeah, so that'll be my answer. The radius of the 100th circle is 10, but if I have any mistakes, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.